The Armory represents a number of different shoe brands and shoemakers from around the world. One of our favorites is Koji Suzuki, who is based in Kobe. They make everything by hand, fully bespoke, and are among the finest shoes in the world.
父親が靴のパターンナーをやってたので、その靴のパターンナーの仕事を手伝っているうちにどんどん興味が出てきて、本場のイタリアで靴を勉強したいと思って、でイタリアに行ってロベルト・ゴリーニという職人に手作りの靴を見て教えてもらって、手作りの靴の世界にどんどん魅了されていってこの仕事を始めました。
The Armory currently offers two different types of products with Koji. One is the made-to-order, and the other is bespoke. For made-to-order, we have a selection of different styles available, as well as a range of leathers they can choose from. The process for the customer is he will come in, determine his size using the fitting shoes, and then place an order based on a combination of style and leather. Bespoke is a more complex matter, so we start again by looking at Koji's existing styles, but since it's bespoke, we can actually refine and change them however we like. One of the nice things about bespoke is getting to design shoes with a master, so someone who really knows and understands how to make beautiful shoes. Another major benefit is that because we will make you your own last, which is a wooden block that captures the shape of your foot and the shoe itself, if you have any unusual features to your foot, such as fallen arches, bone spurs, or even especially thick or thin feet, bespoke will get you a fit that is unachievable through ready-to-wear or made-to-order.
ですね、まずこのキャップ2、こういうシンプルなものがすごくバランスがすごく大事なので、こういうシンプルなものがすごくビスポークには難しくて、そしてエレガントですね、こういうのがね。そして次がこのスプリットダービー、これが少しカジュアルになるんですけれども、スウェードで作ってるんですが、カジュアルでもスーツのスタイルでも使っていただけるような靴になってます。そしてこれが最後ダブルモンクになるんですけれども、これはバックルのこのラインが、後ろのバックルのラインが特徴的になってまして、すごくこう開いてるんですけれども、エレガントで